Hey guys, so this is one of the lot of 5 I picked up for 40 bucks. Just looking over it now, see a couple things that stick out. Tires are in bad shape. They don't spin great, so probably need to clean up the axles there. Air filter is pretty bad, obviously, so I'll have to replace that. But first and foremost, before I get into anything, I want to make sure it has spark, it has compression, it's going to fire. So I'm going to try shooting a little bit of fluid through there and see if we can get it to spark. So let's give it a shot. Just a little brake cleaner. All right, so obviously that's a good sign. We know we have compression. We know how we have spark. So I'm gonna pull the carb apart, give it a little cleaning, replace the air filter here, probably sharpen the blade, go over all the cables, make sure everything is working as it should, and I'll check in with you then. Here's a quick video about what I do when I grease the axles. You can see them, they don't spin very well. After I take the bolt out and put some clean up with a wire wheel and grease it, you can see how much smoother they spin. So I'm going to do this one and then I'll move on to the back. So clean the carb, mainly just the pilot jet and the main jet. Both look pretty good. So replace the air filter. Like I said, it started on the first pull with the spray, but then it wouldn't run. So put some fresh gas in. I'm going to give it a shot now. So that runs. I'm just going to sharpen the blade, grease all the axles, adjust the cables, and I'll list it for sale, and we'll move on to the next one.